Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing super well. Today I'm filming a pack with me because I am headed to Hawaii for 2 nights. So it's a super quick trip. I'm flying there by myself, flying back by myself, but while I'm there, my 2 oldest sisters and their husbands are already there and they have a couch free. So I was like, why not? I've never been to Maui, I've only ever been to Oahu and Kauai, so I'm super excited to be able to explore a new island. But I wanted to bring you guys along with me and see how I pack mindfully because I am lazy and I do not like carrying 80 pounds on my back. And because I use public transportation and such, I also don't really like having to lug a rolly bag around. It's just not my jam. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack a single backpack, then show you how I do it. So let's get started. Apologies for the lighting, I'm doing with what I got. So here are my swimsuits. Over on this side we have 2 swimsuit tops, one for tanning, one for swimming, and 1 swimsuit bottom. I roll all my things because it takes up less space. I have a microfiber towel that is perfection for the beach because it's nice and small and it dries super quick. I use this scarf that I got from H&M forever ago as my beach towel. I don't use normal towels because they collect sand and I don't like that, so this also dries super fast. Over there is my airport outfit. I'm not packing that. I'm gonna put it in a different bag and then put it on in the morning. This is my blanket scarf. I bought this in Spain forever ago and it is a necessity even if I'm going to a warm climate. The buses are always cold, the airplanes are always cold, and if I ever need a pillow, this is what I use. I have my jammies, my socks, underwear and such. I got my wallet / passport holder. I'm bringing 2 bum bags. This one is for snorkeling because I can put my phone in. It is waterproof. And then this is just to carry everything around. I have 2 bottoms. I have shorts and I have a skirt. I also have these pants that I'm wearing on the airplane. So if I want to wear something a little bit nicer, these are what I would wear. 1 pair of shorts, 1 skirt, 1 belt, 2 tank tops. This shirt that I'm wearing on the plane is a t-shirt for when I'm traveling, keep me a little bit more warm, and I don't want to wear a spaghetti strap top because I am flying through benefits of working at the airlines. I have a fan. I got this at my bridal shower. It's supposed to be super hot while we're there, and I was like, why the heck not? Sometimes airplanes get hot too, so I thought I'd have that. I have my snorkel gear because I want to go swimming. I have this necklace that's actually from Hawaii that my grandpa got my mom forever ago. It's made from a very specific type of shell and it's very valuable, and so I got that from him last Christmas, so I thought I'd bring it and wear it while I'm there. Over here I have my period care. I'm finishing my period while I get there, so I just have backup stuff. Makeup, which I might shrink this a little bit because anytime I ever go to Hawaii or anywhere tropical, I never end up wearing much makeup. So I might shrink this a little bit, also to save me some weight. I have my book and a journal. This book, The Defining Decade, is amazing. I think I'm already halfway through it. I don't remember where I'm at. But I'm also listening to the audiobook whilst I read it, but I love reading on the airplane. And this is a journal. I have all of my techie stuff in here. This is a vintage Pan Am, like first class little baggie, and I keep all of my like batteries for my cameras in here. And then my toiletries are here. I have some sunscreen, I have some hair oil, as well as a couple makeup wipes, and my contacts. I have never owned contacts until a couple months ago, and I primarily got them for my wedding, but also so that when I go snorkeling I can actually see things. So I'm so excited to use these. I know it seems pretty lame and maybe insignificant, but I am so excited to be able to see when I'm snorkeling. I have my toiletry kit, which basically just has the essentials: toothbrush, hairbrush, some lotion, deodorant, face wash. I'll use my sister's hair stuff if I end up needing to wash my hair. But I'll have all the essentials. Now we're going to attempt to pack it all in my backpack. I'm going to use this packing cube for my clothes to keep everything nice and neat. And there you go. Everything is packed up, ready to go. I got my bum bag, and then this is my outfit for the morning. Easy peasy. And there you go. I'm done packing. That was nice and easy and quick. Well, except I need to put my laptop in there. But I got my bum bag that I'm gonna wear like this. And then my backpack, like these. I'm ready to go. See how small this backpack is though. And it has all of my essentials. There you go. That's all I got. So I never thought I'd be a bum bag gal, but look how easy this is. Oh, you need my passport? Here you go. Or oh, I really need my headphones. Or oh, you need a pad? Here you go. Here you go. Name the movie down below. Perfect. Isn't this cute? I'm so glad I found that. I'll probably have rattan all over my breasts after traveling all day, but it's super cute. The last time I went to Hawaii, I brought this, and everyone at the airport was like, "You're going to Hawaii? Why are you bringing like this wool scarf?" Their buses are freezing, like really cold, especially after you've gotten a sunburn, or you know, you're wearing your swimsuit or swim cover up. It gets so cold, and the airplanes are the same, and I'm doing a red-eye flight back, so I always bring it because I'd rather have it than not and be freezing, which is also why this is my jacket of choice, because in the evening sometimes it gets kind of chilly. I almost forgot, I always bring a hat. I have to bring a hat because I don't like it when my scalp burns. I am going to bring some green powder. On the airplanes they always have orange juice, so in the morning I'll get some orange juice and put this in my orange juice so I can have some greens while I'm traveling. Keep my body flowing, if you know what I mean. And I'm about ready to just be done packing because I could spend hours just mulling over my decisions, but I think I've done well. Thank you again, all of you, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this pack with me. Don't forget to check out the vlog. This video is going to come out before the vlog, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and give it a big like if you enjoyed this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!